Hello guys. Welcome back to part 6 of my YouTube channel. In this video I will going to show you on how to update our login in our validate_user.php to avoid SQL injection, and also we are going to change our URL display from this localhost my example app codelier page equals login into this URL localhost my example app codelier login to make it more clean. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, just click the subscribe and like button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Let's go. I'm gonna open my Sublime text editor. I'm comfortable using this kind of text editor. Open validate_user.php inside our actions folder. So this is our previous code. We are going to update or modify this to avoid SQL injection. First, we're going to add a if condition, and inside this condition type password_verify, make a password variable, and user variable, add open and close bracket, and password name in our database. Highlight and cut all the session and message for redirect, and paste inside our if condition. Arrange or align the code to make it clean. And there we have it. We need to add an error message, so we're going to add else right here. Copy the else error message and paste right here. And there we have it. We need to remove the password variable and password name right here. It's because we already added right down here. Let's try to log in using our credentials. Our username is admin and password is admin. Let's check if our code is correct, if the error message will display. And there we have it. We got an error message. Open and check your PHP-myadmin and select users table, and as you can see our password is admin. But we can't login in, it's because our login validation_user.php is using password hash. Open a new tab and search for password hash conversion. highlight, My Example App, Codelier, and copy. We are going to paste it in our htaccess. And this all the code in our htaccess. Go to function.php and find redirect for our dashboard, and we have some modification here in our code. Just follow me. Open authentication.php, and we need to copy the login and replace our login_redirect in our redirect page and paste it in our functions.php. Even we access the page through URL after we log out, we cannot redirect on it. One of the security of lorem-php-master framework. Thank you and see on my next video.